What are the 5 best window AC and portable AC unit deals of the summer? I have you covered. Welcome back to the channel. I am Overheated, and I am the deal guy, Matt Granite. If you like this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. I've tested probably 24 different AC units over the course of the last 16 months. I actually began my testing last summer. The new deals have dropped and I want to make sure they are on your radar. I'm going to explain whether you should buy a freestanding AC unit or a window AC unit, and then also bust some myths tied to those portable AC units that you see advertised. Quick reminder, your links are live on mattsdailydeals.com, where you'll find all of your major deals. I do use affiliate links, which means I benefit monetarily if you're kind enough to use one of my links. One cool thing worth looking at is the extra cool Hydra Ice towel sets, which are under 20 bucks. I just thought that might be relevant with some of the deals that you do see today. So the first deal that I want to showcase before we settle the debate of whether you should buy an AC unit that's freestanding that looks like this, or a window AC unit that looks like this. Let's start with the needs that some people have for these freestanding air conditioners. So these freestanding air conditioners occupy quite a bit of space inside your home. They're either tall or heavy, and they've got these weird drip trays that you need to deal with because the condensation can't trickle back out your window. With that being said, these are great if you have windows that have some strange openings. If you're in a building where you can't put a window AC on the outside of a window, this would be a great deal. And I want to actually showcase this as my first favorite deal right now. And then I'm also going to discuss smart AC units and a quick trick I need all of you guys to see. So this is 350 bucks, which is a good deal for a 10,000 BTU portable AC unit. It works for rooms up to 350 square feet. And I will test the fact that this brand has come along and they do a nice job. Apply the coupon that I have found, you'll save an additional 40 bucks. And that makes this a really solid price of under $310 with a $40 reduction. If the 10,000 BTU unit is not enough for you, the 14,000 BTU unit that I found, which is good for up to 650 square feet. So this would be great for an entire condo in some cases where I live. $480 down to $429, and the additional $25 off, which means you save $75 when you apply this. That is substantial savings. In fact, with both coupons applied, this gets you to $354 and this gets you to $309. Just to put it into perspective, that for roughly $50 more, you can jump from 10,000 to 14,000 BTU. I would definitely consider that. Now, of course, the deals and coupons could change. I'm uploading this as the deals are live, but I'll be updating the list on mattsdailydeals.com, so don't worry about that. As an alternative, Black & Decker has this 12,000 BTU unit with heat built in, which is kind of cool. It works as a portable AC and heating system for $389. So if you do want the advantage of heat, for roughly the same square footage, your price is the difference between $309 and $389 once heat comes into play. If heat is not important to you, and I will tell you that it's in my opinion, overkill to have it built into a unit of this size, because the best thing about these portable units is that you can store them in a closet when you don't need them during the summer or spring months, depending on where you guys are watching in the country. By the way, how's your heat? If you'd like to leave me a comment, let me know, where are you watching from? How hot is it in your community? I would love to know. I work in New York City and Toronto, and I can tell you both communities get very, very hot in the summer. But my point being is the heat, like, just store the unit if you can. Get a cheap space heater. I'll have deals on those when the time comes. In my personal opinion, I would actually, instead of paying $389 for the 12,000 BTU, if you want to go with the Black & Decker brand, I would, for, look at this guys, $6 less, score the 14,000 BTU unit minus the heat. And this will take care of a huge space. Want to quickly remind you guys that these portable AC units do have that exhaust hose. So if you do have windows like these that open where a window AC unit would not work particularly well, or if you don't want the look of an air conditioner protruding from some type of overhang, these window kits that adjust to all sorts of vertical and horizontal openings would be one of the main reasons you would get a portable AC unit, which also has the dehumidification built in. Now, when we discuss the top window AC units, and these are great to also use in conjunction with central AC. A lot of the time when I do these videos, people who have central AC immediately think, well, this isn't for me. Imagine adding a window AC unit and actually lowering your home energy bill. You guys are like, wait, what? Plugging in another appliance is gonna lower my home energy bill? Yes. A lot of the time, we have our main HVAC system overworking to cool the hot corners of our home. So whether it's your bedroom or a guest room or something in an upper area of your house. Generally, if you're not in a condo or a townhome where a lot of the AC units are on the roof, a central AC HVAC system is on the exterior of your house on the main level. And as we know, hot air rises. The cool air doesn't exactly get into every room in your home as quickly as you'd like. So this is a great system just to throw into perspective. You can actually purchase this with Wi-Fi as a smart AC system, which I'm going to tell you not to do in a moment, for $312 at the time I'm uploading this video, or for $279 you can just get the regular 8,000 BTU window mounted system. This ensures that you're not lowering your main thermostat unnecessarily to reach a hot room because you've got the window AC unit already present. I'm going to show you another deal from an off-brand, Midea, $299 down to $269 for an 8,000 BTU unit. Just to put both into perspective, the LG and the off-brand are within $10 for each other. So I would just look at where the sales are, and if they happen to be with LG for a $10 differential, I would kind of favor LG just based on the fact that I've known that brand a little bit longer. The most powerful of the window AC units that I am able to find on sale right now is a 15,000 BTU unit. Now this would be great for someone that doesn't have central AC. This would be great for a very hot part of the country, and this is good for up to 700 square feet. The price that you see, $599, you apply the coupon that I found and it drops an additional $60. So you are locking in some great savings, free delivery, and the sooner you order, the faster these will ship. These will be backlogged with a lot of people trying to take advantage of these deals as the summer lags on and temperatures just seem to climb. Now here are your quick takeaways, which I think are really important. And the next few tips I'm going to give you will save you a lot of money. A lot of us will see Wi-Fi air conditioners advertised, whether you're shopping Home Depot, Walmart, Best Buy, they're all there. And we're gonna think, oh, well, before we use this outdated air conditioning technology, like window AC units have been around for so long, let's do the Wi-Fi so we can control it with our Amazon Alexa voice service or Google Home. My suggestion, especially if you're doing some of the smaller units, is rather than get a Wi-Fi system, just get a smart plug. I like the CasaLink ones made by TP-Link. The Wemo ones are out there as well. Just use any smart plug, the Amazon Basics, whatever one you want. Get a smart plug and make sure you buy a dial operated window AC unit if you want to make it smart on a dime. So this Frigidaire being a solid brand, make sure you have the dials. See these two dials, guys? That means you can leave the unit in the on position and control the outlet. So whenever the outlet is turned on, whether it's through your voice or your smartphone, the AC automatically turns on. You cannot do that on these digital units where it requires that you actually press a bunch of digital buttons for the air conditioner to work. So again, on a unit like this, you need to actually press power. You need to do that on these digital controls. But if you have something that looks like this, and you can find them with those older dials, you're not only going to save money, but the second you want to modernize it and have it controlled on your smartphone or even monitor the energy consumption, that would be my quick trick. The second trick that I want to advise is that you guys get with your window AC or portable AC unit a freestanding fan. Don't overpay for some bladeless Dyson fan, just get a fan. And I'm going to show you how they make a world of difference. My favorite, just as an example, is this Tautronics oscillating fan. It's a slight deal on here, but these new fans are designed to work in conjunction with AC units to further circulate the cool air. And you can actually balance out a room really well with your airflow. Now, when you guys see the best fan deals advertised to you, you probably don't see it advertised with an air conditioner. So this is a fan where it's got this digital temperature gauge where it senses the ambient temperature in a room, and then while it isn't going to cool your room, it adjusts accordingly based on the air temperature for the circulation of the cool air coming from a different appliance. So what does that basically mean? If you have your window AC or your AC unit, as you guys can see above this, central AC and beyond, this will promote more even air circulation. And I'm telling you guys, it makes a world of difference. Whether you buy this fan, which I do have a link to on my website, mattsdailydeals.com, or some other fan. You set your timers, you have yourself a little bit of a party, and you will find that you are not overreaching and overpowering your main system for better air circulation when you can take advantage of that. This is a 36-inch oscillating tower fan. It works well. I really like it, and I would actually favor this over any of these portable AC units that you see. These AC fans, which have gained some traction and popularity, don't really cool. You just put cold water into them and it gives you a cooling effect. But for $46, I would just reinvest my money in a better fan, assuming that you have some type of AC somewhere in your home that you can use it in conjunction with. So I hope this helps. Big takeaway messages: don't invest in Wi-Fi. Make your own. Don't overspend on brand name if you can find an alternate. They're both very well reviewed in most cases and within $10 or $15 of each other. If you want the heat in that huge appliance, good for you. But if you say no to the heat, you can get better BTU performance, more effective cooling, and then store that thing so you don't have to look at it 12 months per year. And if you can and your windows support it, you're going to get more bang for your buck in terms of a window AC unit. And if you have a window that permits, a window AC unit is the way to go. They work, the drainage is a little bit more easy, and more importantly, they cost significantly less to ship, which is worked into those very high prices you see for some of those floor standing models. Plus, doesn't take up any valuable floor space when you're trying to walk around. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, drop me a line, leave me a comment. If you like this type of content, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, and stay cool. You can already see that I'm glistening here. My nose looks like an oil rig, but welcome to the heat of the summer.